guys! Nicole here, and I have a question for you. Ayaw mo na ba pumunta sa bangko at mag-effort at pumila na kay haba-haba para lang mag-fund transfer? Well, we have a solution for you. Nandito na ang GCash Fund Transfer. So, what is GCash? GCash is an app that can help you transfer funds via your smartphone. And thanks to the Instant Pay platform initiated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, pwede na kayo mag-transfer ng pera with over 30 bank partners nationwide. So, here are the 5 easy steps in using your GCash app. Step 1. Siguraduhin na may GCash app ka na and you can download it on Google Play and the Apple App Store. Step 2. Top up funds to your GCash app via over-the-counter, online banking, or through remittance. Step 3. Select a bank where you're going to transfer funds. Step 4. Fill up the important details katulad ng account number and the amount that your information page, and if all the information are correct, then transfer away. Easy, right? So, imbis pumunta pa kayo sa bangko at pila na kayo haba-haba para na i-transfer yung pera na yun, why not use the GCash app to transfer funds anywhere, anytime? Relaxing at your home? Gee. Going to the beach? Transfer. Dining out with friends? Transfer lang ng transfer. So what are you waiting for? Download the GCash app on Google Play or the Apple App Store now.